question number 1. So here question 1 to refer to the following information. Equation of object A, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 6y plus 9 equals to minus y square plus 9. And equation of object B, it's x square equals to 16 minus y square. Equation of object C, it's y equals to x plus 2 whole square. So let's see the first question. So here it says what would be the shape of object A. So first of all, if we see that this is the equation of the object A. So if we try to simplify this equation in that way, like x square minus 4x and plus 4, after that y square, if we transpose negative y square to the left hand side, it would be positive y square plus 6y, and here we can cancel out 9 from each side. So that should be equal to 0. Now question is, if we use completing square method, let me tell you what would be the completing square method. First of all, when we have the first equation like in that way, a square plus 2ab plus b square, when we have this, we can write this one as a plus b whole square. This is an algebraic identity. And when we have a square minus 2ab plus b square, so it should be a minus b whole square. This is another algebraic identity. So here we can see that x square minus 4x plus 4. So it is going to be 2 times 2x plus 2 square. And if we try to write 6y, 2 times 3y, we should add 3 square to left hand side. And for that, since these are equal, left hand and right hand equal, so we have to add the same thing to the right. So the first 3 terms, here it is, it becomes x minus 2 whole square, and this 3 will become y plus 3 whole square. That would be equal to 3 square. Now question is, like if we try to discuss the concept of circle, which is, basically there are 2 things we need to know to write the equation of a circle. Or maybe the circle would be like in this way. We can draw it in any manner. So the first thing is its center. Let's say h comma k. And the next thing is that its radius, r. We can assume this one as r. So its equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So this is the standard form. Like if we try to compare this one with x minus 2 whole square, which we have got after completing square method, plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 3 square. So definitely we can say radius has to be 3 because it's a circle. And the center h is 2 and negative k is equals to 3. So which implies k would be negative 3. So definitely that center would be 2 comma negative 3 and radius would be 3. So here I believe like in option D you will get this. Now question is, you can see that like there are many options, whether it would be a circle as centered at this point with radius 3. In option B it says ellipse. In option C it says parabola with this vertex. So now question is how to decide, like how can we say it would be a circle or it would be an ellipse or it would be a parabola. So easiest way to remember whether it's a circle or not, how can we discard? I will tell you one more approach. So the first one, if we observe, like when all the expressions are kept to one side and this side is completely 0, like what I meant to say, suppose x square minus 2x minus 5y square plus 1 or plus 10. So here we can see that like we have to keep all the expressions to the right, to the left. That would be the first thing. Now we have to compare the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, whether it is equals to coefficient of y square or not. Okay, so if these are equal and they are of same sign, it means it has to be positive or it has to be negative, so only then they will be equal. So it refers to a circle. Now question is, when coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square, these are different, so they can't be circle. There are many properties. So for this question, the concept of circle is sufficient. So you can see that if we move minus y square to the left hand side, so coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of y square is 1, so it has to be a circle. So we can discard B and C. Let's find out center. Only the center, the coordinate of the center, you know, if we get the coordinate of the case center, so only we can distinguish the correct answer from, there would be only correct answer in between A and D. So only then we can find which one is correct. So if we try to use completing square method, then we will get D. So this is another type of approach.